alẹ́ ò bá yé èmi ètò àgbo wọn olólùfẹ́ number one crush mama of Africa ẹ kí mo gun ìyá ìjàmọ̀ ọmọ yìí mú agogo dẹ ìyè mú mọ́ mi náà ni mo ṣe kí mo gbé bọ́ọ̀dì mi mọ̀ wá náà ni ó ti ṣe dọ́mẹ́ta di tún jáwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe lọ ní ìlú Ondo di ìjáwọn tó di jẹ́ dáhùn mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lọ ní ìlú Ondo náà ni amúgbàgbé fọ yìí àwa nìkan ó ṣe ọmọ yìí mú agogo dẹ bọ́dà mọ̀ wọn pè ní agogo dẹ ẹ̀wẹ̀kẹ̀ mú agogo dẹ tí wẹ̀kẹ̀ mú mọ́ mi fẹ́ gbọ́ àolú ọmọ olùsọ kó gbà láàyè gbèsòkò lá àṣà gbọ́ agẹmọ èdè òòṣà òkè gbọ̀túlà ọmọ oṣù wúlí èsọbẹ ọbẹ̀ wúlí ìṣòdò bíbọ ló bá easy ló tẹsírọ́ọ̀nì ìwọ náà tẹsírọ́ọ̀nì ẹ̀ dùàm mi ló tẹsírọ́ọ̀nì ẹ̀ ló bá easy náà ni mo mú tọ́pìkì kan wá náà ni ó fọ again in fact about Ondo people lọ àwọn fáàtì kan yẹ wọn mọ̀ dáwọn ọmọ ìgan ẹ̀ ṣe kí tó bá ti rí ìnára ọmọ Ondo bẹ́ẹ̀ Ondo bá Ondo ṣe máa ń ṣe nu òkè wọn wá gé àwọn fáàtì náà màmú kò wọ́n nù ní ò ní mo wọ́n fáàtì orí owó tébù mi fẹ́dà máa balẹ̀ dédé àwọn assumptions wọn yẹn wọ́n assume yẹn wọ́n assume Ondo is this Ondo is that Ondo is kindergarten lọ fọkàn balẹ̀ a máa dìbò Ondo máa dìbò lọ fọkàn balẹ̀ so no ní number one fáàtì rẹ̀lẹ̀ onífọ̀fì àpẹ ọmọ Ondo we are very very straightforward bí o bá mọ̀ Ondo ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀ ṣe màgòmágó very straightforward and straight gan sí ọ̀nà yóò straight tó wá like ìdàkà for yẹn this one òní o color purple èyí o ọ̀la o color blue èyí no we are so straightforward and sometimes people do say we are too blunt okay tó bá tún lè òyìnbó blunt náà o tún lè wọlé sí un like àti ká pẹ́ kàkà pẹ́ dédé ká ẹ̀sùn ẹ̀ pẹ́ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ orí ẹ̀ ń wáyé we are so straightforward, you know, like manipulations and all that. No, so straightforward, you know what I'm saying? Straightforward to the core. It's time. Come on, do it. Like I can waste the time. Like straightforward. Don't beat around the bush. When I beat about the bush, right? They want. It go to Boju. Bush is too much. We don't have time to be beating around the bush. And I'm saying we are very, very straightforward. Don't people are straightforward. And another fact, and I think maybe you guys have known it, is that Ondo people are known for eating dog low-key-ly. Daba mushi asun. Wagan lagan wakakponla. Allah baba. Daba mu low-key-ly. 544 daba mu low-key-ly. Daba mushi asun ko oh baby. Oh my God. Wagan lagan. Wa enjoy it. They are known for eating dogs. They eat dog, as in this is their normal delicacy. In case if anybody abroad or you go where they look this video, we dey shop dog that normal thing. Make no be like say, make no be like say you see Ondo for UK. Hey, hide your dog. No, we are eating dog, but we know we don't do that. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ajalaja ajá wa rẹwà wà ìjẹ àlọ síbi ẹ̀ síta ajá àdé ara ajá wa àdé àṣekíyìn àdé àmúṣàsán. So Ondo people are known for eating dog. That's our delicacy, special delicacy. And I know some people that are into that eat dogs. I think Calabar people too eat dog. So Ondo people are known for eating dog. So si for ìgbéyà kẹ́nìkan àwa ní special delicacy wa. Do a bar and general table. If you don't know what they are eating on the table, don't just eat. Has question. Has it's possible you are hitting puppy that you don't know. We are waiting there. You know, people have different names for their dogs. They are lucky with Jebe. Me are eating lucky lolo. So another fact about Ondo people. Show real. Ondo people don't like shitting. We don't like cheating. We don't like cheating at all. We can take anything from you, but not cheating. We don't like cheating. I like that career on the gen. We don't like cheating people, and we don't like being cheated on. And most of the time, if people think you are smart, don't outsmart us. I like that are smart too. We don't like cheating. If you want Ondo person to verse, just shit out. Now you are going to see the real Ondo. Oh my God, you ba me joy. You ba me joy. Do ba ṣe kini ba fẹ́ ṣe kini be. Do ba ti fẹ́ ṣe kini be. Afọ so what if everything live by be. If you want to see the real person, the real Ondo person, just pass your boundary, shit them. Try to play on their intelligence. You will see crazy. You know what I'm saying? You will see be crazy. You know what I'm saying? So, especially I like shitting. I like shitting. And most of the time, people will be like, oh, no, people are very stubborn. That is because we don't like shitting. When we are done with you, we are done with you for real. Like for real, like duh, like bruh. Yeah, we are done. We don't like cheating. That's what Ondo like it is because we don't like cheating. If you don't cheat us, we don't go get any problem. We don't go get any problem. We are good to go, but don't outsmart us. And when we are saying we are not doing something, we are not going to do it, don't stress yourself. Don't just stubbornness. Like if you say this thing, we are not doing it. Don't stress yourself to want to persevere or sweet talk. No, we don't do. Like if we know they do, we know they do. That the thing people they see they talk to is too stubborn because we know they do pass ourselves now, and our no is our nose. Our yes is our yes. Our yes is our yes. Our no is our no. We be simple person by nature. Very simple. So very, very simple. Just when you know all these things, you don't have to stress yourself when doing it on people. You know this fact I'm telling you, you follow it, you don't go get problem. You don't go get problem. And another fact about Ondo people is just that we love education. Ondo, Ekawe. They go school, we go school, LS school. We like education so much that you see, there's one thing about Ondo women. They don't bloody care what they are going to wear, what they are going to kind of maybe shoe or clothes. But when it comes to their children education, that is right. They feel sell everything. They will sell their dress, they will sell everything, their wardrobe, they will empty it for their children. We love education though. And do you know what? Do you know Ondo, like Ondo State? Now you give back to Ekiti. Now why did I say Ekiti? Now from us, now Ekiti State, they get the vibe. Say Ekiti, professor. Ondo no ti wa. Ara Ondo no Ekiti ti jaja, they don't play. Ara Ondo, Ekiti no ti jaja. Ondo will like education. I like school. So when we're talking about what we are being known for, Ondo is education. We like school. We like school. What me? University. O ti di 100 level go guys. Ní pé parí. Kini kan go ṣe science lab tech go ṣe. In fact, they over la be masters. That's the pride. That's the pride. We dey go school, don't play. We dey average Ondo person. You go school. You go school. And one of the reasons is just that you see all this school level, it makes sense as far. That's why you see ordinary, let me say ordinary, average Ondo person in other states, they know they too do hard work like that. They share what? No, that school we they go. School, we go to school, go to education sector, you go see them plenty. Very, very plenty. I'm be reading. Body for it. I have a but yeah, you are moving Japan love. People, I like you. Ondo shaking. I like without that. I like shitting. And lastly, if you don't know, another fact about Ondo people is that we don't eat pouch rat. Okete, eje, okete. Ati for ben, eje. Original Yoruba one at Ondo. Àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ òkété sórí ìgbà ẹ̀jọ́ ẹ̀ ó ní tẹ́nàtì kàyé ẹjọ́ gbé àsìkò òjò bẹ́ẹ̀ lójú bẹ́ẹ̀ tí rọ̀ if it's raining during rainy season. So these people are from Osun State. Sorry, they are going to bring out what's it called, bamboo, and use and make trap. That bag gbá òkété mú bẹ́ẹ̀ ibẹ̀ wò tí mo fẹ́ yes àwọn Ọ̀ṣun ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣíọ̀ ní òkété ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣíọ̀ ní òkété àwọn wa kún òkété náà. Mú ojú bẹ mú rí òkété sójú pa ilé so ilé àwọn odò Yorùbá rí bẹ àyíkàkà wọn bí ṣì jẹ òkété Ọ̀ṣun àkájọkété lọ àmúṣíkì kò wá àti ajá náà ká jẹ ajá wa lọ jẹ́gẹ́lì ní Ondo wa ṣe jòkété but the last party yìí mo fẹ́ tó ìwọ á dáhùn because mi ní àṣà àwọn á comment ẹ̀. There's this misconception abi should I call it stereotype or something? They be like what's your name? I'm Rachel, this that. Where are you from? Ondo. Ondo people. Ondo shege. Miki. KJ. They be like, Ondo people, they are very good in bed, outside bed. Say, okay. I don't know about that. So if you know, it's confirmation and it's very correct, sir. Comment at the comment section. What is your experiment? What have you experienced? Me mong pile. Àwọn ajá mi tán o. Don't drop comment in the comment section. But Ondo, good o. Ṣe me mong pile. Comment ibẹ̀. Comment yẹn mo máa fẹ́ mọ̀. Pàdé àṣì experience yẹn mo bá ní pẹ̀lú Ondo. Pàdé mọ̀. Baby, me ṣe gé mi yẹn náà. Comment mi tó bá ní experience. Àkàsí sọ. Bye.